Okay there. So, let's get into the problem at hand. You're working on your JavaFX code snippet, and you come across a little snack. IntelliJ is giving you grief about a symbol it can't compile, Stylesheet, and it doesn't like the value attribute you're trying to use. Running the code leads to a lengthy error message, which is never fun. Sounds like a classic problem developers face when dealing with JavaFX. Now, on to the solution. Remember, the property you're trying to set a value to is actually a read-only list property known as Stylesheets, not Stylesheet. This property is linked to the getStylesheets method in the parent class. In your FXML file, you should use Stylesheets to define the location of a CSS file. You can specify the location using something like URL value equals at colors.css. This helps the FXML loader to add the CSS file correctly. Building on that, you also have the option to specify the CSS file as a property attribute directly for the GridPane element. This can make things a bit easier for you. So, with GridPane Stylesheets equals at colors.css, you can link the CSS file to the GridPane. In summary, by understanding the nuances of the Stylesheets property in JavaFX, you can seamlessly link CSS files to your FXML elements. Remember to use Stylesheets with URL value equals to define a location, or directly add the CSS file as a property attribute for specific elements like GridPane. So, keep coding with confidence, and may your styling always be on point. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite coding joke. Happy coding!